Alright guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making spicy chicken sandwich. Alright, so the first coating we're going to add some plain white flour. Second coating we're going to add an egg. Don't sleep on this, guys. Soda. We're also going to add some more flour. God, I'm slow. Then we're going to add some salt. And originally it was supposed to be black pepper, but I didn't have any, so red pepper. And then we're going to mix that around. Mix it. Alright, so for the last coat, I'm going to start with some plain white flour. I know it seems like a lot of flour, but it's not, trust me. We're going to add some paprika. Some more red pepper. We're going to add some chicken seasoning, which is any brand that you want. We're going to mix that around. And this is our seasoned flour, guys. Trust me. Don't sleep on this recipe. Alright? Alright, so I have some oil eating up on my hot plate. That's how you test the oil to see if it's hot and ready when you see the bubbles. So I seasoned this chicken from the night before with my regular jerk seasoning and all the other season that you would put on chicken. We're gonna dip it in the plain white flour first, then we're gonna dip it in our second coating. Then we're going to dip it in our seasoned flour, and the secret here is to pack it in, squeeze the flour onto the chicken so that when you shake it off, it kind of give it that flaky look, and gets it real crispy when it's done. And then we're gonna, dip it in the hot oil and we're gonna fry away. I'm editing the video now, and I wonder why I never take out the whisk and the spoon out of the containers, because obviously they're bothering me, but I still have them in there. Why? Somebody tell me why. But here we go. Have been frying for the past 4 to 5 minutes. We're going to turn them over now. They do not take long to fry because they're small pieces and they're also the thigh. Alright, so after at least 8 to 10 minutes, they're done. And this is the finished product. Look how crispy these chicken look. So moving on to my spicy mayo / sauce, whatever you want to call it. We're going to start with some mayonnaise, whichever brand that you prefer. We're going to add some hot sauce, again, whichever brand you prefer. I normally just go with the cheaper one. We are going to add some oil, just a little bit. Then we're going to add Grace sweet and spicy sauce. We're gonna get that mixing, mix it all up, and that's it. Put it in the fridge to cool. So I went ahead and toasted my buns. I like mine's this way. We're gonna add the sauce or spicy mayo to the buns. Spread it how little or how much that you want. Then we are going to place the chicken on the buns. You can zhuzh this up or you want, add lettuce, cheese, tomato, whatever. I'm just gonna go with pickles, keeping it simple. And that's it. Chicken sandwich. Una talk truth. Una look on the chicken then. Good God, man. Una look on my chicken. Look on all my sandwich. Eh? Look how my sandwich come right out. Anyway, thank you guys for watching.